Today we're going to make a really amazing homemade shampoo with aloe and carrot. This shampoo has an extremely creamy and soft texture with excellent benefits for your hair. And it also creates spectacular foam. For this recipe, we will need a fairly large aloe leaf, and the first thing we are going to do is let it rest in water. Just like you see here, for 24 hours you can leave it in the refrigerator or simply at room temperature so it drains the aloe. The next day we start with the recipe, we remove the thorns and we are going to extract the gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamins A, C, E, B12, folic acid, minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc, enzymes, and amino acids. It has moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, healing, and antimicrobial properties. It's wonderful for making a shampoo. It will provide deep hydration, soothe the scalp, promote growth, and give shine and softness. You can extract the aloe gel with a fork like this. Alternatively, you can extract it by slicing pieces with a knife. We're going to use approximately 100 grams of aloe gel. We can use a blender and we're going to blend the aloe gel so that all the pulp dissolves really well. We're also going to use a carrot from which we'll extract the juice. Fresh carrot juice is an exceptional source of beta-carotene, vitamin A, vitamin E, B vitamins, and antioxidants. It will provide hair strength because it helps to strengthen the hair fiber, reducing breakage and split ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 9 tablespoons of juice. Now we blend and mix everything very well. Fresh carrot juice improves blood circulation in the scalp. This promotes hair growth, nourishes the hair from the roots, gives your hair more body and a healthy appearance. For this shampoo, we are going to use this soap. It's a very well-known soap, creamy dab, which here, as we can see, says neutral pH. Now, one thing is what they call neutral pH in cosmetics, which means it's balanced with the skin. That is, it's between 4.5 and 5.5. And another thing is neutral pH in chemistry, which is a pH of 7. The one we have here, for example, this would be the neutral pH in chemistry. That's why it's often confusing. In the previous shampoo, which we made with a glycerin soap, the glycerin soap has a pH of 7, neutral, which for the skin is a little more alkaline because the skin needs a bit of acidity. Since it's complicated to explain, especially in marketing, they simply call it neutral pH. Let's see if this soap is really within that range. We add a little bit of water and we're going to measure it. Let's add a little more water. See? It would be between 4.5 and 5.5. Perfect. So this is going to give us an ideal shampoo in terms of pH, let's say at the skin's pH. And it will be an economical natural shampoo that's very easy to make. Between 50-60 grams is perfect. We'll put it in a container suitable for hot water. We're going to add very hot water. 1, 2, 3. Six. 7. And we're going to let it soften so it becomes creamy. If we want to speed up the process a bit, we can put it in a double boiler for a little while. It will melt faster. Once melted, it will be ready. Well, look, it's already very creamy. I still feel a few little hard pieces, but that's okay. We can add a little more water, almost to the point. Let's add 2 more tablespoons of hot water. Alright, and we're going to add this. Let's put a thin layer. Now we're going to mix it all together. We'll strain it to remove any remaining soap residue. If there's none, you can skip this step and let it sit. It's gonna get creamier and creamier. Look, this is the color of this shampoo. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a mild acid with antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps balance the pH and close the hair cuticle. Look at how creamy this shampoo is, and it will get even creamier as time goes by. You'll see that it's amazing. I'm going to take advantage and wash my hair. It won't hurt me. I want to show you how it works when washing your hair. In the beautiful foam it makes. It's excellent for washing the scalp. Because of the type of surfactant it has, we could use it even every day to appear healthier and stronger. And we rinse it out. Afterwards, what I usually do is use the Shampoo, the homemade conditioner that I've shared with you how to make. The truth is, this one is beautiful. I leave it on for a little while like this, and then I can rinse it off. Sometimes I even leave it on because honestly it's very gentle, and that way I can shape my little curls. And that's it, perfect. It's important to measure it. I already see it as perfect. Look, it's between a 4.5 and a 5 and a 5.5. For me, it's at a 5. Perfect pH for the scalp, for the skin. It's amazing how it thickened. Look at this. That it already has left. I would love for you to tell me in the comments what you think about this shampoo and if you've already made my aloe rosemary shampoo. Thank you. Thank you.